Alright, I got the other side done. Now we just waiting on my friend because I just realized I don't have any deep sockets and he's got some. Should be here any minute soon. We're just gonna fucking sweep down the back cover because that's dirty, a little dirty. The car's a little dirty too, but we don't talk about that. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean that up a bit. So once the strut bar is in here and we put it on top, doesn't look that bad. A little bit more cleaned up. Bam, so did as best as I could. Still a couple like little specks. You can't really see the sun. So bright. Oh, there you go. Put my shadow, you can see it. Alright. But you know, nothing too noticeable. So gonna go ahead and take out the strut bar. Strut brace, if you want to go up. Alright guys, here we got the strut bar here. You can see all the fucking Japanese reading. This side, Cusco made in Japan. Hell yeah! So red. This is just a protective film. It's not blue. It's silver. After this is just like keep it nice. I'm gonna keep it on there until we put it in. And here we also got our instructions. This product is designed for use in Japan only. Well, nobody knows that, but okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up these end bolts right now just to mock it up. It is kind of loose, a bit more tighter. We'll have one more play on the other side and make it up that way. But go ahead and mock it up real quick. Get here on one side and the other, something like that. So that's how it's going to go on the rear. Just need to get these bolts off and easy installation. Hell yeah. Alright, we'll probably pick up once my friend gets back here. Alright guys, that last clip you guys actually just saw was from like 12 days ago. Almost 2 weeks. What happened was the strut bar I got was the wrong one. Wasn't for my car. It actually turned out to be a WRX rear strut bar. And yeah, once we figured that out, well, first thing I did was call Car ID, let them know like, yo, this doesn't fit. After some light research, it looks like it's just the wrong part. And the representative was pretty helpful. He was like, all right, no problem. Let me see if I can find the right part on our registry and send it out to you right as soon as possible. And did that, ordered that, then got my return stuff approved for the first one because it didn't fit. But yeah, well, while doing that, the second one came in from Car ID, and it was the same exact one. It was the same exact strut bar that I had bought already. But went ahead, got that return approved immediately, pretty much. Didn't even open it, just like cracked it open and make sure it was the same thing, same part on the tag because of the box. Yeah, and after some light research in between times, well, while waiting for the second strut bar, I actually found out that the part number is wrong on Car ID, so hopefully they fixed it by now. They were super helpful on this. Don't want to trash talk Car ID other than just like their part wasn't correctly labeled and they needed to sort that out. But basically the part that they had available for the 2011 to 2019 Impreza, which is not even right because different chassis, for the 2014 and, no, never mind, 2017 and up model Impreza. So here we have, see, WRX STI, WRX S4, so just not for my car. And after a while, I did some research and I found the correct part, which was here. SK note 69954 Wait, oh, that's my info. Which kind of fun. It kind of sucked, but yeah, here we have the actual strap. We're gonna go ahead and go do the installation. You guys already saw everything else that really leads up before you drop it in. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and show you guys the end result right now. Finally, so happy to finally get the right strap. Like, look at that. Oh man. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright guys, she is in, bolted on there. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Alright, just one last thing to do. Oh, come on, please. Oh, it's on there. Bro, what? I'm gonna cry if I can't get it off. There we go. Alrighty. Hell yeah. Alright guys, if you guys did like this install, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the carpet back in. Pretty sure there's enough space right underneath to slide around underneath. But yeah, if you guys did like this install, please leave a like, comment, subscribe for more content with me and Lucy. We'll see what's next. Alright, later.